Hi Annie, this is Sari from class. I just want to give you a quick response to the Moodle post with the LMS sign-in info. And I want to try it in screencast to see if I could make a video, so sorry it's pretty tinny because my microphone sucks. So I'm here on the Moodle page and here's your post. I had a really easy time logging in with this login code right here. And then the code that you added down here. I know that you had mentioned in the Moodle post you made to me about having it be a little bit different, and I wasn't sure entirely what you meant by that, like maybe if instead of having the whole website written out there, instead of having just like, let's say seesaw and then a link. So maybe that's what you're imagining, which could definitely work. But this also worked as well. So I just want to show you how it worked for me getting in, since it was a really easy process. I just clicked on that and opened it in the link in a new tab here. So let's see. Brought me to this page, said I'm a student. I have my information in there already. I can see how this would be easier with a QR code for kids, but that would present its own challenges since you would have to make sure your computer or phone has a QR code reader. So signing in, and then here we are, we're on your page. So yeah, it was a really easy process for me, and I'm excited to see what this page becomes and what the class becomes. I think that a great way to start off the class might be with some sort of welcome post, I guess. So I guess maybe that would be kind of under the blog function or journal. I guess you just do a video. So I have to look into that a little bit more, but basically, I guess one cool way that I could imagine starting off the class is with a welcome video sort of explaining how to use the site, since some students might be new to this site. So I guess this would be difficult with, I'm sorry, that's my phone. This would be difficult for students in an ESL setting if their English is not at the level that, or the comprehension level that you would need. But that's something to sort of think about, is how I guess this first page could be used to, or the first post could be used to welcome people, and then also explain how to use the site. So, and maybe with a couple of really easy assignments to practice doing different functions, like submitting an assignment, a drawing assignment, or taking a photo, or recording something. So that could be really cool. We'll just see what happens. But yeah, that's the feedback that I have for you. Thank you.